Tubo, one solution for all your timekeeping needs. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create templates for schedules in Tubo. First, go to the attendance module by hovering over it or selecting it. Next, choose Templates for Schedules in the sub-module. On the Templates for Schedule page, you can scroll down and select a schedule template for your company or agency. There are 3 types of schedule templates you can use. But for this video, we'll only focus on 2 options, the fixed setup and the flexi setup. Once you've chosen a template that fits your company or agency needs, click Add to My Templates. Next, input a new name for that template. In this tutorial, I will use Sample Schedule. Once you're done, click Save Schedule. Now, scroll up and you'll see that the schedule has been added under My Templates. To better fit your company's schedule, you can make adjustments by clicking Edit Template. Here, you will have the option to update the schedule name. You can also change the time in and time out settings for the schedule. If you tick with check-in and check-out, it will enable employees assigned to this schedule to use the check-in and out feature in their Tubo app. If our autofile OT is ticked, users will no longer need to manually file their overtime in the Tubo app. The system will automatically file OT based on their actual timeout, up to the maximum number of OT hours set by the company. For working recess, you can choose from Series 1 to 5. Each series adds an extra break, starting from no break in Series 1 up to 4 breaks in Series 5. Select the setup that works best for your schedule. Before we wrap up, let's go over a few additional features available in other templates to give you a clear picture. With Flexi Setup, you can set a maximum time for employees to time in before being marked late. They can clock in earlier, as long as they complete the required work hours. If Flexi Start time is ticked, employees will no longer have a fixed time limit, and they can time in at any point during that day. Take note that once Flexi Start time is ticked, the max time in setting will no longer be editable. However, the employee is still required to complete the 9 hours needed for the day. Now for the Disable Timeout option, if it's unticked, the schedule will reset 10 hours after the suggested timeout. If the employee doesn't time out, no record will be saved, and new schedule will appear the next day. And if Disable Timeout is ticked, the schedule will not reset even after several days. The user must time out, and the working hours will also not be editable. Now that we've covered the features in the other templates, let's return to the fixed setup template we started with. To wrap up the edits you've made, simply click Done to save your template. You also have the option to remove or delete a saved schedule. To do this, click Edit Template. Inside the Edit menu, click Delete Template to remove the schedule you saved. Finally, click Proceed to confirm and complete the deletion. With these steps, you can easily create, edit, and manage schedule templates in Tubo, keeping your team's work hours organized. And that's how simple it is with Tubo. For more Tubo tutorial, click the subscribe button and stay tuned for more Tubo tutorials.